we can use the like
Got it.
SQL
Okay.
like. So for that, what you can do, like select everything from companies. Okay. Then here you can put where name, not the equal to, you put here like. Okay. Then double quotes. Then let's say put here T, then the percentage. Okay. This symbol. After this, if you run this, so it will show you all the company's name, which one is started with the T.
T.
Okay. So if I run this, here you can see all the tiers for you limited, Turner, Terry, Thiel, see all the T is showing. So
Yep.
this is how you can actually, if you want to get any specific one. And also like with the same command, if you want to like funding, if you want to get any data, which one is started with the D or end of the D, like the end of the word is the D. So for that, you just put the percentage first and then put the D. And then if you run it, so see here we have only one data, that is end letter is D, and we are getting this information. Okay, so this is how we can use actually the like query.